And we're back here at the stock recap show. It is 24 May 2023, and I'm super excited to get into it today. And before we do, just a brief disclaimer here. These videos are all intended for educational purposes only. Trade at your own risk. 9 out of 10 traders lose money. 1 in 3 traders loses 90% or more. There's no guarantee you're to make money with this strategy or any other strategy. Don't risk money you can't afford to lose. Results are not typical. We got a fly. Well, and it is out of here. MVLA was the big leader today. You know, things didn't look all that great today, but I'm going to pull up some charts here for you. MVLA. So this was a bullish engulfing candle here on the daily chart. If we zoom into the 15-minute, you can see it kind of woke up here. It woke up yesterday, and then actually woke up like 2 days ago. I guess this was Monday, and then it gapped higher into Tuesday, completely sold off, continued to sell off early today, and then all of a sudden there was this afternoon rally, this huge afternoon rally, and it was up from 160 to 240, so pretty much 50% from the lows. But yeah, it only ended up today 36.57%. ANF was the next big notable mover, and this was up 31.04% or 0.07% today. Okay, so Abercrombie and Fitch, I'm sure everyone's heard of this, but it was really the big surprise from Urban Outfitters. So this, I think it was an earnings surprise here. So they beat on quarter 1 earnings. This was up 17%. So that looks encouraging for the rest of retail. That's probably why ANF was like a sympathy play here, unless they released earnings too. Yeah, they topped earnings too. So both Abercrombie and Fitch and Urban Outfitters topped earnings. So that was good to see. And AVID was the third about to break out. This is looking okay, but it could just be a one-day trend. So I'm interested to see what this does tomorrow. Now let's get into the about to breakout stocks. So NNBR could go. Oh, and it's off the wall. Okay, so this was up 15%, but it's still not over longer period moving averages. So, you know, the next one is APLD. This is through the highs pretty much. It made a higher high today, but yeah, not overall on the weekly chart, just on the daily chart, but it's looking good here. MTR, Meza Royalty Trust. This also looks like it's breaking out here. So, but yeah, I guess it's on the about to breakouts because, you know, 10%, it's not all that convincing. Like it's through the highs, but it's not all that convincing. Like MVLA on this 15-minute chart, that was pretty convincing move here. And that's it for the about to breakout stocks. Now let's get into the IR list. Okay, so we got some stocks here on injury relief. Okay, IR, and OCEA is the first one. Ocean Biomedical. So this ran to 12 just yesterday. So that was an impressive move yesterday. It just tapped the high of 1203, and from that it lost about, I don't know, off the top of my head, it looks like 70%. But yeah, it's got 9 employees. Looks pretty risky, but it's recovering right now. So we'll see if it can bounce back. Wolf is the next notable decliner here, and this was down 18.17% today, but it did bounce off the lows, so we'll see if it can rebound even more tomorrow. This is Petco Health and Wellness Company, so I think there is a need for that still, and it's probably a growing need. You know, if you look back at total revenue, it looks like it's steadily increasing, which is good. And if we looked at the balance sheet here, they do have 200 million in cash. Let's see with their liabilities here. So they do have some long-term debt here, which, it's fine. It's good to finance things you need to buy. And it looks like they are turning a profit here. So that's good with the earnings per share in the positive category. We'll see if it can bounce back. Getty is the last notable decliner here. Getty Images Holding. This spiked back in April to like 818, and now it's down to 520. We'll see if we can hold this $5 level. The rest of the week's going to be super important for this company. So we'll hope for a steady recovery here. And that's it for the IR list. If you are looking to accelerate your trade profits, you can schedule a strategy session with one of our expert traders at fridaytraders.com, and we'd be happy to assist you with that. This is one of the most valuable skills that you can have. It can completely change the game for you and actually give you a chance against other traders and also algorithms as well. We have 7-day free trials, and our courses are 30-day free trials too. So definitely schedule a call and we'll send you the free links there. And that's it for this show. Happy trading. I'll see you next show. See you then.